Hello Sagittarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you and your person. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what's there for Sagittarians. Let's see what's on your side, Sagittarians. Okay, so we have the Queen of Pentacles on your side. Let's see what's there on your person's side. Okay, the Eight of Pentacles on your person's side. Let's see what's the most likely outcome in this situation. Okay, the Four of Cups. So with the Queen of Pentacles, somebody here is sitting holding their love, not opening up or not able to open up for some reason. Here with the Eight of Pentacles, somebody is working hard, perhaps they're too busy with their work. And here with the Four of Cups is the most likely outcome, disappointment. Somebody is feeling very upset. They are not ready to focus on anything new. Let's see what it is all about. So let's see what's behind the scenes for the Queen of Pentacles. Okay, we have the Hierophant, the Hermit, the Four of Cups, the Four of Wands. Okay, let's see what's this what's behind the scenes for this Eight of Pentacles. Okay, we have the Sun, the Justice. Oh, the Five of Pentacles, Three of Swords. People are very upset. This Judgment, Empress. Okay, let's see why is this Four of Cups here for. What's behind the scenes for this Four of Cups as the most likely outcome. Okay, we have the Eight of Wands, the Eight of Swords, the Knight of Cups, the Five of Swords, the Queen of Pentacles, let's have one more, and the Ten of Cups. Okay. Let's see what is the guidance from the universe. Okay, the Union of Hearts. So with the Queen of Pentacles, as I said, somebody here is holding that love and is not able to open up though they want to. So for that we have the Hierophant, the Hermit, the Four of Cups and the Four of Wands. So what I feel here is that this person, you want commitment, you want a stable relationship with this person, but the thing is you know intuitively that it is right. You know this is what you want. You are in touch with your intuition. You are thinking deeply. You know it's that what you want. Okay, but you are not making a move. You are not saying anything perhaps. And here with the Four of Cups, you are very upset with the Four of Wands. But what I feel is this is what you want. I don't see you making a move though. This is, I think, energetically, this is the Four of Wands. You want to spend happy times with them. You want a commitment with them. Okay, you want to spend that happy time. You want the commitment with them. That's what I feel. But you are upset for some reason and not taking. I don't think that you are making a move over here with the Hermit. And here with the for the Eight of Pentacles, this person is very busy with something, working very hard on something. So for that we have the Sun, the Justice, the Five of Pentacles, the Three of Swords, the Judgment and the Empress. So a lot of major cards over here. What I feel is there is something in the life of this person, maybe with you, or for whatever reason this person has a lot of agony. They feel rejected, they feel ignored. So there is something going on in the past or in this relationship, I don't know. Okay, which is a cause of lot of heartbreak and agony, definitely. And this person really feels ignored and dejected for some reason. But with the Sun card, the Justice, Judgment, and the Empress, what I feel is that this person, definitely there is a new beginning which is giving a lot of happiness. Things are being sorted out with the Justice and the Judgment. Major decisions are being taken for happiness and the new beginning. So this person is perhaps working hard on their emotions. This person is working hard on whatever the situation is which has caused this heartbreak to manifest this happiness. They definitely want a new beginning, and this is what they actually wish for. They are actually trying to sort it out and balance. So decisions, definitely with the Justice and the Judgment, definitely decisions and major decisions. This person is working on to take major decisions to have a new beginning which gives a lot of happiness, that is for sure. So this is what that work is all about. Okay, and for that, for this Four of Cups, we have the Eight of Wands, the Eight of Swords, the Knight of Cups, the Five of Swords, the Queen of Pentacles, and the Ten of Cups. So what I feel here is, with the Eight of Swords, definitely, and with the Five of Swords, maybe there has been some argument between both of you, some fight between both of you, which is causing this heartbreak and which is causing this energy of not being able to move forward and not being able to liberate themselves and step out. So it is requiring a hell lot of hard work on your sides to manifest it once again. But with the Eight of Wands, I see a lot of communication will happen. With the Knight of Cups, there is love. With the Queen of Pentacles, things are getting sorted, I think. And with the Ten of Cups, what I feel here is that commitment will be there. That is what you want. Commitment. You want commitment, so commitment will be there. If there has been some sort of fight or there is something which is holding this person back from this commitment, this person will be able to heal from this energy, whatever it is, and commitment and happy new beginnings towards the family will be there. I think there will be a lot of communication, maybe that will help and heal whatever it is. Or if there has been an argument between both of you, some fight between both of you, it will be by the communication that it will be sorted out. That's what I feel. But yes, things will be okay. Number 28 or number 10 may be of some significance for you. This is the guidance from the universe, the Union of Hearts, a love connection that defies explanation. So this is a very beautiful card. This is a very beautiful soulmate energy. It's a beautiful connection over here. There is no explanation for it, and the only thing here is that something has gone wrong in between both of you, which needs to be sorted out. But yes, somebody is really working hard to manifest a new beginning and happiness. Yes, with the Wheel of 10 of Wheels or the Wheel of Fortune, things are moving forward towards the new beginning with the Ace of Swords, with the Page of Cups. Small steps of towards love will be taken. Again, the Page of Pentacles. So these are small tiny steps which are being taken to manifest this new beginning. The High Priestess, yes, lot of intuition is being there, which is being used. Four of Pentacles, though you are holding back for now, things will be okay. With the Ace of Wands, definitely new beginning. The Ace of Cups, yes, a lot of emotions being offered. Somebody ready, again the Eight of Pentacles, somebody ready to put in the work which is required for this connection to manifest. So Sagittarians, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.